Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make banana flour pakoda or Vaalaipoo pakoda. This is a very delicious and instant snack recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of Vaalaipoo or banana flour, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 green chilli finely chopped, few curry leaves chopped, few coriander leaves chopped, a teaspoon of cumin or jeera, half cup of besan or gram flour, quarter cup of rice flour, half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of chilli powder. Mix all the ingredients well. Now all the ingredients are mixed and mashed well, so sprinkle some water and mix well until you get a nice and thick pakoda consistency. You need to mash all the ingredients well so that the flavors of the onion, curry leaves, coriander leaves and the spices come together well. Now the ingredients have come together very well. Pull out a small portion and keep it ready. You need not make any shape. Pakodas are always irregular in shape. Heat some oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, fry the pakodas in medium flame. After 2 minutes, flip it to the other side and let this again fry for 2 more minutes in medium flame. Now the bubbles have settled and the pakodas are nice and crispy, so let's now remove them. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very delicious, crispy, easy and an instant snack recipe. So do try this banana flour pakoda or Vaalaipoo pakoda recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.